Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to MOCA'S world. So I wanted to do an update on my terrace garden. So here I have my window box with different types of tomato plants. We have some bell pepper plants here. Those are growing nicely. Tomato plants here. So here we have sunflower plants. If you watch my previous video, you see that I planted that from some sunflower seeds I was eating, and I thought I'd just give it a try, and they're growing, so let's see if they'll produce any flowers. Here we have some lovely cilantro. I hope these thrive because I really love cilantro. So in this window box, I have some green onions. I've actually cut quite a bit of it, so I'm giving it some time to spring up again. We have soybeans here. The dry seeds that I planted directly in the soil didn't amount to anything so far, so I decided to soak a few more seeds in water. I did that for about 3 days and they have sprouted, so I've transplanted them here. Hopefully they'll continue to grow and put out some new pods. We have some transplanted callaloo seedlings. The first batch of seeds that I sowed didn't do so well, so I did them again in another small pot indoors for a little while, and then I transplanted them out here since the weather is much warmer now. I think these are lemon plants. I'm not 100% sure. I remember just dumping some seeds there after making a drink or something, and they remind me of a lemon plant, so I think that's what they are. And here we have a lone stalk of callaloo that's from last year's batch. Doesn't seem to be doing much, but the weather has been fluctuating from cold to chilly to hot. I'm just happy it survived since last year. I'm hoping it'll spring up since the other seedlings are just so tiny. We have some different types of tomato plants. From last year, I had it indoors the whole winter, and now they're finally putting out some lovely tomatoes, different sizes, big size beefsteak, and some more cherry type ones. Some random wildflowers. Here we have some dandelions. I know dandelion tea is supposed to be really good, so we'll give that a try eventually when they put the flowers out again. Hopefully they do. This one is just a random lily type plant that I saw growing, and it looks very nice in a cluster, so I thought I'd get some of those as well. And this is another wild one. It's white flowers. This was very newly foraged, so I'll give them some time to adjust. We have this beautiful purple flower here. I'm not sure the name of the plant, but it smells divine. The leaves smell divine, the flowers smell divine. It's very fragrant. If you followed me from last season, remember that avocado seed that I planted in water? Look at it now. So nice. I was able to keep that indoors throughout the winter, so it's doing really well now. And I more than likely will have to bring it inside again during winter because I don't think it is made for this winter climate. So I'll have it outdoors as much as possible in the summertime and in the sunshine, and then in winter it'll be just an indoor plant. So here we have some wild rose bush cuttings. The ones I cut last year didn't amount to anything, so I did it again. These seem to be thriving a little bit better. I was even able to forage a whole plant that had roots, so we'll see how that one does, but the rest are just cuttings, and so far so good with those. So here we have some raspberry bushes. The ones here with the drier leaves were newly foraged from the forest. So they're adjusting to the soil and the environment. Wild strawberries from a few years ago, they are very cold and frost hardy, so they remain on the balcony throughout the whole winter. I did cover them with some plastic to help protect them somewhat, so they're thriving, doing well, very mature plants because I've had these a few years. Also some raspberries from last year as well. They're thriving, and as you can see here, we have some raspberry blossoms. And these were foraged last year and thriving. So in this pot I have some foraged blueberries. These are having a little bit harder time adjusting to this environment, but I'm still hopeful that they'll put out some new leaves and hopefully some yummy blueberries. Here we have another pot of blueberries, same thing as the other one. They're adjusting to this environment. So in this pot, you'll see that the wild strawberries are doing very well. We have many of them flowering, and here we have some actual strawberries that I'll be picking very soon. After they started flowering and bearing fruit, I noticed that some of the leaves would wilt more than usual. So I don't know if that's just because the fruit are taking more of the nutrients, but the fruits look good and the flowers are abundant, so I'm really happy with that. So there you have it, guys, a 3-month update on my terrace garden. I'll do a follow-up video of me harvesting the fruits and vegetables, so stay tuned for that. I wish you a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified about new episodes.